Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to continue our previous series, which is a complete Telegram mini app. I already did some part, but that is not properly completed yet. So I already uploaded 3 video about it. That is the first episode, second, third, fourth. So in this video you're going to see the 5th episode, and you can see averagely there have over 100 viewers, which is quite good comparing others. So I am willing to continue. So yeah, let's start. So I just run the mini app that I made. Here you can see, and now I move to the front because before doing something we have to utilize the front at first. Okay, so in this video we have a goal, dedicated goal, not on this specific video. In this entire playlist we have a specific goal to make that mini app which have a combined feature like game, tax, mining, tapping, then wallet, leaderboard, and a lot of things. And we also looking good we are also looking a good admin panel, so admin can control everything. And end of the day I am going to share you the source code. So if you take a look on the description, you can find out the source code in GitHub. So if you want to download it, and if you can modify it and you can use it as your one mini app. So you may think that is a free mini app, then maybe we are compromising with security. No, we're using PostgreSQL. And end of this playlist I also share you how you can deploy that server and front end, I mean entire mini app in VPS server. So you get a good performance. You can handle over million user. So yeah, that is quite interesting playlist. So let's start. First of all, if I take a look on the Spanish skin, that is a Spanish skin, and I just card that navigate, and if I click here, then you can see that is the Spanish, which is not looking convenient as if we compare with other good mini app. So what I going to do, first of all, I just go on the main.tsx, and here I will set a theme. Okay, so that is our router. Okay, so here I want to set a theme, but I want to set that theme only for that app layout. So if I want, I can also set the theme for that Spanish skin also. So that Spanish skin is not a part of that app layout, because when a user come on this Spanish skin, he don't carry any cookies or any token. So he will request to the server with his Telegram provided authentication token, and the server will pass him a new authentication token that we are going to save on the session storage, and that token will be valid for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and after that the user need to refresh it. Or if user is stay greater than 5 minutes, then maybe he will not access any content or this kind of something. However, so here I just set the theme as black, and here we are using Daisy UI. Yeah, we are using Daisy UI. We are also install some custom font. So what we are not did here, we are not add the theme that are provided by Daisy UI. So I just go on the daisyui.com, then component, and if I move on the themes, you can see I have to enable all theme because I need the direct theme especially. So if I want, I can enable all theme. So I just here enable all theme all. That is not here actually, that is in this side under the plugin where theme is all. So did I made any mistake? No, I am not made any mistake. So yeah, the server said something went sorry, the split screen said something went wrong, and we are also not seeing anything like theme. So that is also a bad thing for us. So data theme black, you can see the black, and here also black. And if I take a look in above, you can see data theme, the spelling is also correct, but I am not sure why that is not working. So what I'm going to do, I just restart my server, and I can see here there have a issue with okay, I got the issue. Now maybe that will be resolved here. I think that should be now resolved. Okay, I restart, and you can see this time the background is totally properly black. So now I want to set that color also black. So how can I do that? Okay, so if I want to do that, actually I like to use Telegram. That is a SDK. I like to use a library. Okay, Telegram provide also a library, so I just install it, SDK. Then you can see there is a properly library, and there have another dedicated package for React. If I take a look on it, then you can see they are provide me the device data, then launch param behavior, then you can see device from, and a lot of things. Use signal, I don't know what is it and what is that. Then raw int, there is the hook, and there have some uses, there have some installation. So that is not too much important for us. We are just going to install the Telegram apps SDK, which is important for us. So I just go here and I just install the SDK, Telegram SDK, instead of TG app SDK. Okay, so our previous SDK name was TWA dev SDK. Now this this library name is Telegram app SDK. So I just install it, then I go on the main.tsx, and here what should I do? Actually they have something like theme, which is still dark or this kind of something. I don't know why I use it. Okay, actually I don't need this one, because I have something different on my mind, so I can control it. Okay, so now this time you can see they are telling me to force them. Why I need to force them, man? Okay, you have something like Vite plugin which is making problems, so I just go on the package. Okay, card Vite plugin, this probably okay. Vite React, everything look okay here. So why does it give us error? Basic SSL, so there have some unnecessary package which is installed here. So I just go here, and you can see Vite basic SSL that I not needed currently. TWA dev, I am also not need that. Then there have node SDK redux, and all other thing is important. Okay, so now here I change the name, which is currently client. I change the name to key. Okay, so now I restart that. Okay, that is not restart, that is install the packages. So now that is successfully install everything, and if I just want to clear and then npm run dev, okay, you can see there have some error on the from the spell skin. So I will sort that. Okay, here I have to pass int data. So in this case I need that SDK React, because here you can see here I can get the SDK data like this. So in this case I need that packages Telegram apps SDK React. So yeah, I just install it, npm install this one. So those people are working, watch that video, and before that you watch our episode 4 or 3. Maybe you can say, tell me why you doing like that, because sometime ago you install this all packages, now why you change that? I changed that because I am recording that video after 2 months. Okay, so I record that episode 4 before 2 months, and that is, I record that episode 5 after 2 months. So that is not 1 day or 2 day gap, that is almost 2 month gap, and in this 2 month there have a lot of thing changes. So I have to go with market standard, right? So yeah, so return launch parameter in a raw format from any unknown source. So I am thinking what I have to use here. So our previous thing, like web app identity data, is provide us the user query ID, or you can say this kind of something either like a raw data. So I am currently looking the same thing. So what I do here, I just do some console log like this, and I will see that which specific thing I needed, that raw data, and then there have raw identity data. I just do that brute console log, and that is still give me some error, which is React hook cannot be called inside a callback. Okay, so I cannot call that inside a callback. Okay, so I have to use that outside of that use state. Okay, like this. Now if I refresh, and you can see that is provide me that is the splash line number 12 provide me this more data, and the line number 10 provide me some specific data. So yeah, what I need actually. So if I take a look on the variable name, one is the use launch param, and another one is use raw identity data. So I need that identity data. So what I do, I set that identity data inside a variable. So that is a int data, that is a variable, and here I pass that identity data to the server as init data. Okay, and I don't need that use raw launch. So here I pass that int data. So now if I take a look on the network, refresh, you can see I am getting a token. So okay, so let me see the path, that is user login. Okay, so I just go on the user login with a bit cursor or pointer speed. Actually I am feeling that mouse or pointer going too fast, so I just want to make it average. Yeah, so now user module. Okay, so that is the value. So I want to decode that first of all. Okay, so if that value if that identity data is not valid, then throw him a error which is not come from authorized source. So that is not actually a good message. So I can say him unknown traffic. Okay, unknown traffic. And here I want to see the parse value. So the parse value maybe contain user information like username. Okay, you can see chat type, username, signature, and a lot of things. So here what I checking here, so there have a variable which is user describe something. Okay, everything good. So yeah, now when that everything done, then it will move to the home page. But I am thinking that, and that is not actually my thinking, my eye is observed that header color is not black, and I want to set that header color is black first of all, and I want to redesign their splash scheme, because design is a major thing for any product. If your feature is not convenient or not enough to attract user, then you can work with the design that maybe help you to attract more user and you can get more lead. However, so I want to set that header color to black. So if I go on the documentation, because I have a good documentation, so that is waiting for me, so I can use it, right? So there have something like theme param, so I can take something like this viewport, and there have utilities. So what I like to do, I like to set something. There is a component, they have haptic or this kind of something, so I like to set header. Why is the search yeah, set header color. Okay, so they have a documentation. Okay, so I have to use it. Okay, before I have to use that, I have to initialize that. Okay, I have to initialize that at first. So I just go here and I initialize that SDK. Okay, I initialize that SDK on the main.tsx. So now I going to set that color. So first of all, you can see there have a condition, which is if that set header color is available, then set color. Here I have to type the background color, then I don't know, maybe that will retrieve that background color. And yeah, so that is also have more condition. There have something like background color, active state, and a lot of things. So what I need, actually I need that background color, so I just need that first thing, and here I want to set that. Okay, maybe that is not going to throw any maybe that is not going to throw any what is that, side effect, and I am not sure actually about it. So I just type here that value and I refresh that, and I can do a console log also, console log, and if I check the console log, then refresh, nothing happened. So that is telling me that that is not available at all. So I have to mount that mini app. So if I go here, you can see there have something like mount, so I have to mount that mini app. Okay, so and there have another condition, which is if that mini app is available, then mount it. So I just go above, and here I type that mount, and if I refresh, you can see they have something like the mini app components already mounting, unknown theme param passed. Okay, so they have two issues. So first of all, I just type some more value, which is, as you know, that should be like this. Okay, so now they have an issue, which is the mini app component is already mounting. So when that is already mounted, then I don't have to mount that another time, right? So what I have to do, actually that is throw a side effect. So I just have to use here use effect, that will be called one time. So then I wrap everything. Okay, so now if mini app is mounted, if that is mounted, so the condition should be if that is available, and if that is not mounted, then mount it. Okay, so now if I go here and if I go open that also, refresh it, then you can see they not have any error, and the header color is also black. So now they have a bottom navigation. I want to set the bottom color also. So I just search here, set bottom. Okay, bottom, BOTTOM, bottom bar. I don't know, they are not have any enough documentation at all. So if I go here, mini app dot said, yeah, they have something like bottom bar. So I can do that also like this. I can just copy that and paste here that said said bottom bar color, and here also said bottom bar color. So now if I refresh, you can see that it's not working, but that will be work on mobile. So yeah, that is not working here, but that will be work on mobile. So I just going to do testing on my mobile. So I just copy that, and that was my ID. So I just share that here, and I will go my mobile phone and test it. I will tell you the result, and if that is working, then I will show you that. Otherwise I am not going to share that. So what I can see here, that is not loading. Okay. So actually that is on the that can be only accessible from this desktop, so I cannot access that. Or maybe there have any way, if I'm not sure about it, because I'm doing experiment. I am not expert on this kind of something. So you can tell me, that is also my first time, and most of my video I record, there is only one reason is doing experiment. Yeah, so I just try to access that path, but the thing is I cannot access that. So yeah, that is not visible for show you, but maybe you can see that on production or final version. So yeah, what I do here, so I don't have to do anything now. Currently here is the doing that adhan, so I just pause my video. So yeah, the adhan is complete. So now I'm going to redesign that. So before redesign that, we need some inspiration, right? So currently I don't have any good inspiration to make something like that. So I just go on the Pinterest, and I'm going to search some project, and that maybe help you to find some inspiration. How can you find inspiration? How can you copy someone design and continue like that is your one design? So that should be Spanish skin UI design Telegram mini app. Okay, so I just search it, and they are not having any good result. That can I follow? Okay, so I just go on my mobile phone and I try to find out some this kind of inspiration, and then I will show you that. So I see something. So most of the mini app are using this. So if I go here, you can see there is an image, and the unexpected thing is most of the mini app are using this kind of raw image. They are not designing anything by themselves. So yeah, my target is also something like that. So I am recording that video after 2 months. I already said that. Now actually I forget about that project theme. So now I continue that project as my current mindset, what I want to build next. So I am doing experiment. So I am want to add something like this. So if you want to see that, so that is a gamey. I want to show you that. Yeah, so this time you can see there have only something like G, and that is the media or image. If I go above, okay, you can see that is image. Maybe you can see that that was a raw image. and they have something like more like this. That is a really raw image. They are use that raw image and they just put that. So what I want to do, I also thinking to take that image that is something like that is good for our theme or context also. So I am going to copy that, then I go on the remove bg, then here I try to remove the background. Okay, that is remove the background, and also that is remove the coin. So I just copy or doing a search with Google Lens, and then maybe I can find out something better than that, but no, I'm not found anything. So what should I do? I have what I have actually currently, I have an icon which is that key. So what I doing, I doing something random, so that's why I mute the mic. I paused that video for some time, but now I think I can show you that what I currently have on my mind. So I want to give you something good and community standard, so that maybe so in future maybe you can use it. So I make something like a tagline, key of the taser, and the font is Bebas. That's not good. Roboto, it's looking good. Then text center, key of the taser, then so here I see a common thing which is simple and people are using or loving that, so I just disable all thing, then I make that more small, 10, and then background is white, opacity 10, and then rounded full, then there is a size is 10, and then P is 1, 2. If I take a look on this logo, so what I can see actually, asset then logo, there is not a square or system or something, so there is a kind of something like that width is small, and yeah, that is height is small, then and width is big, so that is not the thing that I'm looking. So that's why what I want to do, I want to set a custom size, like if I make that size is 10, width is 10, then height is 8, or 6, then 7, 8, or 9. Maybe that is looking good. Or if I try to do that like 20 or 1, 6. Okay, I need a new key icon, or I can change the theme. Black and white animal icon. So yeah, I can go with dinosaur icon, black and white clipboard, or icon. If I go on the image, then transparent, looking good. I can go with this kind of something, but you can see there have a text, so I'm not going to take that. So they're not have much which is looking good. So there is a black. If I go above, I think I see the earlier one is looking good, like this one. I have to take something which is common, and I can convert that into an icon. Okay, let's move on the Figma. And if I take a look on the emoji, then maybe I can find out this something. Okay, let's say our project name is Mr. Cool. Basically, I'm not. I currently my mind are not having anything something like a cool name, so I just move with that cool icon. So the project name should be become Mr. Cool. Okay, so I just cut this one and I take a paragraph tag and I add this one. So that is the emoji. Okay, so they have a sticker emoji downloader, and here I have to paste that emoji, and if I paste that, I can download the animated one. That is a GIF version. Okay, so the next thing I need one that is a GIF version animated. I'm also need the image. Okay, the transparent image also. So I add this one again, that is static SVG. Okay, so I save that, and that is Mr. Cool give Mr. Cool, and they have another SVG Mr. Cool. So they have two. Now that is installed here. I just cut that and paste here Mr. Cool, and that is the SVG. Okay, and the second thing is not here, and that is maybe here. Yeah, Mr. Cool. So I just paste here this one, Mr. Cool. So I get both. Now currently I don't need that logo, so I just delete that logo. So, and I will change the name of the project. So if what is that, packages, yeah, packages cool. Okay, so I change the package to cool, then image. So that is here I type the path, then asset, and then Mr. Cool give. So now this time you can see that is not that is unable to find the path. I don't know why that is unable to find the path. So I just type here import icon from or Mr. Cool from, then Mr. Cool give. Okay, that is cool. Now I type here that Mr. Cool as object Mr. Cool, and you can see that is. So now the next thing I have to type here the size is 40, and that's good. So now I don't need that background color. I need a skeleton. That is true. So that skeleton is not enough for this. Okay, the next thing I need a spinner. Okay, spinner, so that is spinning on the bottom. So now that is looking good on my eye, but I am not sure how you guys uh, see this that update. Okay, so the next update, I just move to the home page, and you can see this time they not have any background. So I just go on the app layout, and here I add something like is I am using that app layout at all. Yeah, I'm using that. So while I am using that, so I can add here something like, first thing is outlet, second thing the class name, which is minimum height is skin, minimum height is skin, padding or px is 3, and then data theme, and data theme is black, BLA CK black. So now you can see everything is looking good. Now the next thing is nothing. So now I have to design the mini app, but we did a massive changes on this video, so I have to make a dedicated a theme for this mini app, because I sit for record that video after 2 months, and currently on my mind is blank. I am really forget about that project. So however, so maybe we are going to complete that project within next 2 or 3 days, and it will get updated what I did, what I make changes. So you can check that video description, and you can download the code, and you can also code with me. So however, till then, take care, bye bye.